Got a stain? Well, I want to see which stain remover works best, so stay right there. Hey guys, Erin here with Wardrobe Hackers. Today I've put a couple of stains on some super white t-shirts, and I want to see which stain remover is going to work best to get either ketchup out or mustard. So I've got two pretty well-known name brand products here, and then I've got a chemical-free product. And then I've got it's a small business that actually sent us their product. So we're going to give them a test try as well and see what is going to work best. So the first one is Shout. This one's been around a really long time. I'm going to spray it right up here. This is going to be my first spray. And for most of these, it says to wait 5 minutes. Let the remover soak into the t-shirt before placing it into the laundry. Now we're going to do a spray and wash, another very popular one. I'm going to do it right up here. We'll do our two name brands right up here. Just let it soak in there. When you have a stain, the first thing you're going to want to do is really, get it immediately. Try to clean it as fast as you can. The fresher the stain, the easier it is going to be to clean it up. Now this one is called Puracy. It's a natural stain remover, so I'm really excited to see what this does. Give it a couple of sprays right here. This is the only one that says to wait 15 minutes before laundering. And then we've got our Clean AF. It's the alkaline formula. This is a product that is from two moms. They were tired of trying to clean their sons' baseball uniforms of dirt and grind and it not coming out. So they made their own product. So I'm super excited to see how well it gets all of this out. So I'm going to do the same over here with the mustard. Spray our Spray and Go, or Puracy. Really get it in there. You're going to want to, also if there's any residue of the ketchup and mustard, you're going to want to get that off also prior to doing your clean. All right, so there we have it. I've got my liquids on, my stain remover. I'm going to see which one works best. I'm going to throw them in my wash, and we're going to come back and show you the results. So stay right there. Okay, guys. It's Erin, and we're back with our results from our stain fighting experiment with our name brand products. So first off, I'm going to start with the ketchup. Our ketchup t-shirt here. What I did is I went home and I laundered them in, your normal Tide detergent with cold water, and I have our results. So it looks as if ketchup comes out really nicely with these name brand stain fighting solutions we've got. Spray and wash came out really well. So did Shout, and also the Puracy, which is the natural stain fighting remover. It came out really nice as well. Our alkaline formula, the Clean Alkaline formula, it did leave a little bit of, some stains still there. However, this product is typically used for, your kids' their uniforms when they're out playing baseball or soccer. So we want to still give this one a try. So we may try that with dirt later on. All right, let's talk about mustard. I've got our mustard results here. Mustard is really hard to get out. I was actually shocked to see that it basically doesn't come out using any of these. What I did was I immediately threw this in the wash after using these stain fighting products. And as you can see, they are all still here. With the Puracy actually getting the most of the mustard out. Something I was just really shocked to see because it is just that natural stain fighting remover. So anyways, if you know of a way to get mustard out, please let us know. Leave me some comments so I can give it a try. We all go out and eat hamburgers and hot dogs, and more than likely we're going to have some mustard fall on our shirt these days. So we're going to want to know how to, save that shirt. So if you've enjoyed this video, please leave me some comments, give it a like, share it with your friends. You can go on YouTube and subscribe to our channel at Wardrobe Hackers. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.